Today was an actually interesting trading session. The morning session started on a very subdued note. We didn't expect much activity for the day. However, the afternoon session picked up and we saw turnover double, almost more than double, 143 percentage points up to $5.6 million.
And
so just very active trading session today.
And just looking at who is driving that market, I know the foreigners were sort of around the 30% yesterday. Who was really driving the market today?
Today, participation was from both foreign and local investors, and equal participation from both of them. Surprisingly, local investors, because the first few weeks of a new quarter, we usually see local investors take a backseat out of the market as they focus on reporting. But the last few days, they've been pretty active, 90% yesterday and about 75% today of the purchase side. And so participation was from both local and foreign investors.
And is that pretty much just a renewed confidence in a global recovery and in Kenya as well?
Yeah. Yes, it is confidence in the economy and in turn the stock market.
I wanted to just focus on a few counters. Kakuzi rallying yesterday by gaining 8% to close at 78 shillings. The PE is less than 5 though. Did this counter perform well today? And in your view, are investors seeing a lot of value in the stock?
Well, one thing, agricultural stocks are trading on low PEs, so they are attractive. However, to answer your question, no, Kakuzi didn't move much today. It was stable. But yes, we're seeing a lot of interest on agricultural stocks.
And moving over to Safaricom, which is obviously the big foreign interest by foreign buyers, the trading range is currently between 5.30 and 6.10. The full year results are coming out in about a month. How high can this stock actually go, given its plans for data investment and also its M-Pesa facility?
How high the price can go, I wouldn't be able to speculate on that, but demand has been high. We saw the price touch a high of 570 today. So interest is high, and we expect the price to keep rallying as we draw closer towards results date.
The other big foreign investor interest stock is Kenya Airways. What was the performance like today?
Kenya Airways today, again, surprisingly, was completely traded by local investors, no foreign participation at all. It wasn't one of the big movers today. East African Breweries was the biggest mover today, supplied by foreign investors, again, surprisingly, yet local investors completely picked it up. Almost 90% of the buy side on breweries was local investors.
And moving over to the banking sector, the big 5 banks really positioned to move up. But yesterday we saw National Bank down a heavy 29%. Were those losses apparent today?
No, National Bank actually moved up at least about 4 shillings today. The dip yesterday was driven by the uncertainty around the issuing of the shares by government. Activity on the financial counters is, again, we're about to see the quarterly results, so there's speculation around that.